Let's do crystal effects, but not the one you might be seeing on the web. This crystal effect is a really long one, and you are going to be able to do it with this formula that I will be sharing with you in this video. You probably know the common formula everybody is using: water, urea, and soap. Even though you can get some effect by using that simpler formula, but the crystal formation is going to be short. They are not gonna be as long and beautiful as the one you can achieve with formula that I'm gonna be sharing with you today. Hello everyone, welcome to Spanglish Garage. In today's video, we are in collaboration with Paint and Body Shop with Misael. This guy is a master on achieving the longest crystallization in a car and any project you can imagine. Make sure to stick till the end of this video so you can see by yourself how good this formula is and what an amazing crystal effect we are going to be doing as a demonstration for you. My friend, he is the one that you will be seeing in this video, since he is the master and you will not be disappointed. Now guys, we got the part that we are gonna be applying the crystal effect formula ready, and we got our sprayer filled with the formula. You can definitely apply it by hand, and that is what most people are doing, but this crystal effect formula is so good. You can apply it with the paint gun and it will not make any foam or anything. Also, when you use a paint gun to apply this product, you will be saving a lot. Now, using anything that is pointy, and as you can see, my friend is using a toothpick, you can go ahead and start pinching in different areas where you want the crystals to start forming. And this is the beauty of this. You can achieve anything that your imagination is able to see. I don't know if you're able to see it on the camera, on the video, but the crystallization is already to start forming. And let me tell you something, man, this is gonna be looking really good. Now it's the time to start spraying some paint, and the paint that my friend is using is black. This is the way he's setting the paint. 1 part of paint, 3 parts of reducer or thinner for a quick dry. Now, how are you going to apply that paint? Well, the paint, you are going to apply it from a distance. It's not gonna be close. Just look at the way my friend is doing it in the video, and that's the distance that you want. Just keep in mind that you don't want to get too close. Now, this is the part where we are gonna start seeing some really amazing results. You want to use a 320 grit sandpaper, and we are going to start cleaning up some of that black paint that we lay on top. The key point here is to remove that paint without taking too much of the crystal effect of the crystallization that is behind that paint. So we are going to be removing some of that paint, and we're going to be revealing the long crystallization that we had already made. This formula that my friend is using is not the typical formula that you will find on the web: water, urea, and soap. No, this is something else. This crystal effect formula that he is using, it took him many years to get it to this point. This crystal effect formula is something that you can apply it not only on your car, you can apply it on any project that you may be working on. Just letting you know, the only way you are going to achieve these longer crystallizations is with this formula, period. Now the next step is going to be to apply this pearl paint on top of the crystal effect, and that's exactly what we are gonna be doing right now. Alright, so far we got the base color, which it was silver, then we applied the crystal effect formula, then we applied the black color on top, we sand it up, then we did the pearl, and now we are gonna be doing as a final step the clear coat. Now take a look at this final product by yourself, and I dare you to tell me this is not the best crystal effect that you have ever seen. Now you might be wondering, where can I get this formula to get these amazing crystallizations, this crystal effect that you can do it at home, you can do it yourself? Well, I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description of this video. Go ahead and take a look at that link that I'm gonna be leaving, and that's the formula that my friend is selling reasonable price on eBay. And you might be wondering, why should I buy that formula if I can do it with water, urea, and soap? Well, yes, you can do it with water, urea, and soap, but let me tell you something, it's not the same. The results that you are going to get are a lot much smaller, and it's not gonna be having the same look, the same crystallizations, the same effect are not going to be the same. This formula is something that my friend has been working on it for many years, trying different things, and finally he has made it to this point where this formula you can use it regardless of how bad or how good the weather is, regardless if you use it by hand or you use it or you apply it using a paint gun or a sprayer. You can basically use it in anything you want, in any way you want it, and the results are guaranteed. He already tried every single possible scenario in order to make this a successful crystal effect formula that no matter how you use it, it's going to work, guaranteed.